of kickstarting your pharmacy career in Australia? Wondering how to land a pharmacy intern job as an overseas pharmacist? In this video, I will walk you through exactly where to find pharmacy intern roles, how to apply, the salary you can expect, your responsibilities as an intern, and most importantly, how to become eligible in the first place. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about job opportunities. Pharmacy intern jobs in Australia are available in both community and hospital pharmacy settings. Some of the best places to look include community chains like Chemist Warehouse, Priceline and Terry White Chemmart. Number 2, private and public hospitals and regional and rural pharmacies where demand is often higher and sponsorship is more likely. Regional pharmacies are especially friendly to overseas candidates due to shortage of local pharmacists. But how to apply? Let me tell you. You can apply through job portals like seek.com.au, indeed.com.au, LinkedIn and Pharmacy Guild of Australia's career portals. Use keywords like pharmacy intern sponsorship or intern pharmacist regional Australia. Filter your search to regional or rural locations where sponsorship is more common. Also directly reach out to pharmacies via email. Many regional pharmacies don't even advertise and prefer word of mouth referrals or direct contact. Moving on to the most important part, salaries. Intern pharmacists in Australia can expect an annual salary ranging from AUD 50,000 to 65,000 depending on location and employer. Some regional employers may offer relocation support, visa sponsorship, housing assistance and even opportunities to stay on as registered pharmacists after your internship. It's not just a job, it's a pathway to permanent residency for many. Now let's talk responsibilities. As a pharmacy intern, your main responsibility includes dispensing medications under supervision, patient counselling on prescription and OTC drugs, medication reviews and documentation, assisting in stock control and pharmacy operations, and learning and applying Australian pharmacy laws and ethics. It's a hands-on year where you transition from theory to real-world practice. But wait, there is one important thing to do before you can do all of this. Before you can apply for an intern job, you need to pass the OPRA or the Overseas Pharmacist's Readiness Assessment and register with the AHPRA. Learn all about the process to become a registered pharmacist in Australia in our another video. With the help of Academically, you can clear the OPRA exam and become eligible for getting a pharmacy intern job in Australia. Book a free counselling session to know more today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment below if you want us to cover more career guidance for healthcare professionals. Thanks for watching this video. This is Suridhi Shahi signing off.